here is my new garden controller update. Right here, so I've designed this one to fit inside an ammo can to protect against the weather. Put it inside there and cut some holes to put the hoses through, and that's where it will sit. Just last night I programmed in the first sensor, programmed in a light sensor, so it's not going to be able to water at nighttime. This is my waiting indicator. As you can see, if it's dark, like I'm covering the sensor with my finger, if it's dark, it'll pulse those LEDs until it's bright enough outside. I have these switches, or these buttons right here, all programmed into a specific valve. And because you don't want to water every day, especially after they get bigger like this, it's a little better to let them dry out a little bit, strengthen the root system. So, for example, if I didn't want to water the corn, which are on 1 and 2, but I did want to water the little flower bed over there, which I believe is on 3, that's 4, and the tomato up there is 5. I can come over here and I'll click, what did I say, 3, 4, 5, so I'll go 3, 4, and 5. And this LED turns yellow, meaning the pump is running. It's running valve 3 right now, and it's set to run for 5 minutes, I believe, and after that's finished, it'll move on to that one, and after that's finished, it moves on to that one, and then that's where it will stop. And it's pumping water out of these buckets right here. There's one there and one there, they're connected together, which actually I just fill it up with the water from the AC unit. So it, yeah, it's a fun project. My next step is to program in some more sensors. I'm going to program in a temperature sensor because I don't want it watering in the hottest part of the day. And then I'll program in the moisture sensors. And then at that point, everything should be able to be automated to where I don't even have to push the buttons. I'll have these selector switches right here, so I can choose if I want that valve to run on automatically, and then it will just use the sensors to determine if it's good to water or not. So I'm excited to get to that point. Lots of fun with this little project.